Hi guys! Welcome to Misako Rocks channel. Here and there. So today I get the request from my students from Avery and Naomi. This is a shout out to them. Wow! They said they like to design so many different kind of girls' eyes. Okay, so we're gonna draw like they requested so many different kind of girls' eyes. Ta-da! Right here. Depend on what kind of a girl she is, you can change the shape of her eyes, and also you can change inside of her eyes. Okay, the shade, everything. So I hope you're ready to draw with me. Let's go. Eyebrows, right? I'm gonna draw her eyelid. Really cute kawaii eyelid. Let's go. Look at this. Curved so much. Ooh, long line. Right? And a little more like little line and eyelashes. And I'm going to do the same thing other side. One, two, three, four. Then you're gonna draw actual her eye. And I think you can tell already this type of eyes kind of show how positive, fun person she is. Okay, so I'm gonna start drawing inside of eyes. Okay, so the popular style one, you can give a nice shining reflection top, black circle in the middle. Okay, then we're gonna fill this white space. Maybe we can just start pressing really hard. Start with the dark and then not too dark. You know what I mean? And the bottom part, it's really light. Do you see that? Dark, press hard and not too much. And then once you touch this black eye, you're gonna start drawing really lightly. Like this. Because you can design so many different ways. So I'm going to use same style of eyelid, right? Like this. And let's do other side. Right? Like that. Right? And sometimes maybe instead of like white shining reflections I only show you, you can give star. Right? Try to draw not too big, not too small. People still can see that star. Right on the bottom. And then black circle in the middle. Black circle in the middle. Since she has such a two big stars right here, maybe you don't need to give another reflections on the top. That might be too much. So I'm just gonna start pressing hard, not too much, and really light. Press, getting relaxed and light. These are super cute eyes, that's for sure, right? And pretty strong a girl. That type of eyes, you might want to change the shape of eyes quick. The eyelid, instead of drawing really round, soft shape of eyelid, I'm going to draw more wide. Kind of flat, right? Almost, but still thick black line. And another line. And her eyelashes. Oh man, like so for long, beautiful eyelashes. Like this. Now let's go other side. Because you want to show, how confident, how awesome, how matured person she is with showing her strong eye. That's I'm adding really long eyelashes on the top, okay? And underneath, we're gonna draw her eye. Maybe a little smaller this time. Right? And the bottom eyelid, let's add one line here. One line. And then more eyelashes. More eyelashes. Okay? And the inside of eyes, Maybe you can give nice beautiful reflections on the top, black circle in the middle, and then maybe more bubbles. 2 or 3, let's give it. And then you can start adding more color side. Do you see that? Like thick black eyelid, long beautiful eyelashes, and eye reflections 1, 2, 3, black circle, and color. I draw her eyebrow a little down, super soft, not this way. This is too strong. This is more better for her. And underneath, we're gonna draw her eyelid. So eyelid, same as first two, go down. Eyelashes, same thing. Like this. But instead of drawing an eye right here, I'm gonna connect her eye and eyelid. Do you see it? Right? Just like this. And the other side. Like that. So I'm gonna give a nice big reflection circles. Black circle. Black circle. Right? Then this time, what if you're gonna add more little beautiful lines? Sometimes you can draw tons of little black lines surrounding black eyeball. Look at this. Do you see? Super detail, right? And I want to do the same thing at the side. Just like this. But if you leave it like this, it might be a little too strong, like, just the black and white too much. That's why you're gonna add little tiny lines, just making a nice gray color to blend in together really well. Let's do other side. Like this. So now looks much better, really natural. So how did you enjoy the video? There are so many eyes, right, to choose. I hope you found your favorite one. And don't forget taking the photo of that drawing and send it to me, #MisakoRocks. And also follow my Instagram and Twitter. And I have a website right here, and you can see my other artworks and also my books. They are available on Amazon. And please leave your comments or questions or requests if you have. I like to use your requests for my next videos. Okay? And I can't wait to show you my other, manga, videos. So I hope you can come back again and see you then. Bye.